good. Okay, I've broken down in the 2CV, first time, so I've had a year and a bit of trouble-free motoring now. If you listen to this, we had a big backfire and running really rough. So let's just start it. You see this running really lumpy, and it's can't drive it. So switch it off. Fortunately, the sun is out. I am on a bit of a busy road, which is a bit of a pain. Don't really want to go fiddling around under the bonnet. I may call the AA, or I may see if my sister can come and tow me home. I think she's in town, so we'll see. I'm guessing with this, as I say, it was a big backfire and then really running rough. I thought I'd run out of fuel, put 5 litres in, I've still got the problem. So I don't know, I'm guessing maybe coil or a condenser or something like that, or maybe something in the car, but I'm going for, I don't know, coil. Let's say coil. Let's see what happens. So right, let's work out what we're going to do and get this car towed home. Oh dear. Well, hopefully it's fixable. Well, it is fixable. It's just a question of what is it. So yeah, come on AA. Let's get to it. Okay, tinged up from the AA. Hello, Mr. Sweetingham. We'll be with you by 5:20. So it's about 4:20 at the moment. So it's about an hour wait. I mean, what can you do? You know what? I really don't mind. Actually, it's a nice day, and yes, the car is broken down, but yeah, let's just chill out, wait for recovery. Okay, it's getting better. We're running at now, yeah, 16:55. So. Okay, I've got a mirror image, I think there. Okay. So I have had a look under the bonnet, and yeah, I can't see anything obvious. Terminals they seem tight. You know, it looks as it normally does. Yeah, I think it's probably yeah something that I need a spare part that I haven't got on, like coil, condenser, or leads or something. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a bit of film of the AA, because YouTube, someone's trying to call me. All right, here we go. Let's see what's wrong. If it's that, I'll be very embarrassed.
You work on it yourself?
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, do like a classic car YouTube channel on it, and it's yeah, drive it around. Never broken down. A year and a half. It's been absolutely fine. So you're able to test these?
Not really. You can check if there's power, but that's all you can test really.
Yeah. Okay, guys under the bonnet looking at the coil. Still sounding a bit rough. Okay, so it's looking like coil seems okay. It's looking like it might be something that's gone into the carb and blocked the carb up. So we can't tow the 2CV on a rope because there's nowhere really to sort of tow it from. So the guy said we're going to have to put on a like an attachment on the back of the van and tow it now. So that's what we're going to do. He's just getting into position there to tow it, and then we're going to get it towed back. But it's looking like possibly it's the carb. I did actually put in some carb cleaner the other day, and that may have caused the blockage. So yeah, maybe time to rebuild the carb. So let's see. Yeah, that's how you winch your 2CV. Okay, back at the house, it's been dropped off, and yeah, limped up the drive. I think what's happened though is this, the AA guy, we had a look at it, the coil seems fine, all the bits you can test seem fine. What it is I have caused it by putting in this stuff, which is a fuel stabilizer. Thought I could get it running properly. I mixed it in with the fuel just to try and clean the car before I did a big rebuild. And what the guy reckons has happened is it's basically dislodged some crap inside the carb and caused the blockage. So we're gonna have to be rebuilding the carb now and get that sorted out. So next one coming up very soon is a full carb rebuild of the Citroën 2CV. Stay tuned guys, I'll see you soon. Right, how do we do a breakdown thumbnail? Like this. It's a Home Alone one, isn't it, really? Oh my god, I've broken down.